How do you find the IP address of your computer? Well, it is very easy. It can be found out by two methods. One is from the task manager. That is the most simple one. So just right click on your taskbar and go to task manager. Now you can come to the performance tab and in it click on the Wi-Fi. In here you will see your IPv4 address. This is actually the IP address of your computer. So this is one method. Another method is to find it out from the CMD. So just type CMD in the search bar, press enter. So once the CMD has loaded, just enter the command ipconfig, ipconfig and press enter, right? So after entering the command ipconfig, scroll down a bit. Here in the last section, you will see the IPv4 address. So this is the IP address of your computer. That's it. Yeah. So these are the two methods by which you can find the IP address of your computer. One is through the GUI, that is graphical user interface from the task manager, and the other one is through the command prompt. Right? Thank you.